Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to easily add and customize line shapes using FlexClip. On the editing page, click Elements in the sidebar. Scroll down to find the line category, then click to apply a line to your canvas. At the top of the canvas, you can add animations, adjust opacity, flip the line, and change its color freely. You can also lock or rotate the line on the canvas as needed. For the first 4 basic line shapes, click the rotation button to adjust the angle by dragging the slider or entering a value manually. To add an arrow shape, click the arrow icon. Open the settings window. You can keep the line straight or make it curved, change the line style, enable the rounded point option, adjust stroke width, wavelength, and amplitude. If you turn to the dashed line or dotted line, you can also adjust the dash gap and dash size. Finally, let's preview a stunning template with line shapes. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.